Boss Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here checking out a video of mine for the very first time, welcome to the Girl Boss Beauty community. I'm Stacey Elaine. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me, quarantining and chilling. I have done quite a bit of shopping while I've been quarantining. Let me know if you all like this background. I'm now in my living room. This is how I've decorated it. And I just thought I would choose a different place to record today because why not? We ain't got nothing else to do. So while I didn't have anything else to do, Nordstrom had a sale. If you don't know anything about me, Nordstrom is my favorite department store. And I got to pick up a few things that I have been absolutely in love with and that I needed to add to my wardrobe because I know that this quarantine time is temporary. Life itself is temporary. Everything we go through is temporary. And so this time is also temporary. We will come out of it and we will be serving looks, honey, when we come out. I'll show you my bag of the day. This is my bag of the day, the Louis Vuitton Favorite MM. Don't carry it that much, but I carry it more with this Coach snakeskin strap that I absolutely love. So this is my bag of the day. I just did a bag unboxing, so that video should go up first. So let me know what you think about my new travel work tote that I bought. So excited about that. The outfit of the day comes from Zara. It is just a long sweater dress. And I'm wearing it belted with knee-high over-the-knee boots. Over-the-knee boots, not knee-high. So let's get into why you clicked on this. Let me tell you what was good at Nordstrom. And I'm going to start off with a designer piece that I picked up that was on my wish list. On my wish list, I said that I wanted a Kenzo sweatshirt, and I finally got me one. This is the Kenzo sweatshirt. They actually had these 25% off. And so I got a really good deal on this one. I didn't think I would go with black, but when I look in my wardrobe, it is black in a casual outfit is something that I had room to spare. I love the colors on this. This sweatshirt is so high quality. It is so thick. And I got it in a slim fit because I have big breasts and I like everything to be kind of slim so that people don't know that I'm not pregnant. Okay, so this was the first item that I picked up, this Kenzo sweatshirt, and I'm so glad. I'm just going down my wish list for 2020, checking things off. The next two pieces that I got, one was on my you need to add this to your wardrobe, my wardrobe essentials list, which I will be putting on my blog soon. The 25 items I think every woman should have in her wardrobe is a button-down white shirt. And I had some that were blouses, and then I had one that was cotton button-down, but I would wear it and then like want to wear another outfit with a white button-down, and sis, I would be having to wait to do the wash and laundry and everything. So I needed to add another one. And I picked up this. I added two to my cart. I just don't know where the other one is. It's saying that I said I was going to go pick it up from a UPS location. And if you know anything about me and how serious I am about quarantining and not going anywhere, you know damn well I wasn't going to pick it up at the UPS location. Nordstrom, but you tried it. So I don't know where it is. If it comes in, I'll show it later or whatever. But this one did arrive. This is from the brand Sue Studio, S-U-I Studio, Sue Studio. Very nice cotton quality. And I love this little tie neck design here. I thought it was so sweet, and I thought it was so sweet that I picked up the other color that they had, which was in this seersucker baby blue and white. Love this. I'm a sucker for baby blue and white. I just think it's my Spelman heritage. Don't blame me. Oh yeah, this is a rosé mimosa. So cheers to everyone who's watching this. If you have a quarantine cooler in your hands while you're watching this, comment below. That is so refreshing. So yeah, so I got it in seersucker, baby blue and white. I love baby blue and white, so that will take me a long way. I also picked up a few pairs of shoes. One pair were slides. Now, I already picked up some really expensive slides, so anything else I was gonna pick up had to be cheapos. And there were these Lauren Lorraine black slides. How cute, you guys. So I don't know about you, but the older I get, the more I'm just like, I want cute, comfortable shoes. And when I saw these, I thought they were perfect for me for spring and summer when we get out of here. Look at that shine. Look at that. So I picked these up in a size USA 8. And we'll see later. I love that they're not totally flat, you guys, because I hate slides that are just totally on the ground. That just does not work for me. So got these. Love them. The next item that I got, oh my gosh. If there was a sneaker for me, it would be this pair right here. So I got some new Converse. They are in baby blue and white. Yes, these are mini hearts. And it says, love fearlessly on the front. These are actually leather, so they're not the cotton ones. And they have little hearts on the bottom. So if anyone knows me, you know that I am a lover, not a fighter. And I am always about love. Love is love. I'm just like enamored with love. And so these sneakers I thought would be so cute. I can't wait to style these up. So great. So me. Like if I have to get a sneaker, that's what they would look like. Right? Right. The last item that I got from Nordstrom were also a pair of sneakers. And it's because I did not have any all white sneakers, and Cole Haan is a brand that I love. So let me tell you, I saw this guy in church. Like I knew I needed some all white sneakers. I saw this guy in church and he had on these beautiful sneakers. I asked him, excuse me, sir, where did you get these sneakers? You know, I was just enamored with them. And he told me Saint Laurent or something like that. And I was like, and the sneakers cost $550. I was like, of course I would fall in love with a $550 pair of sneakers. Like, why does my eye do that to me? Well, anyway, I bought the Cole Haan version of those. And these are, again, by Cole Haan. I feel like these have been tried on. Hold on, Nordstrom. These are not new. Like, I could tell someone has tried them on because they have a crease in the top. Anyway, they are all white. They have baby blue laces and this baby blue leather tab in the back. These are the Grand sneakers, and they have like that wider platform. Are they Saint Laurent? Oh no, Alexander McQueen. I'm sorry. So the sneakers that I saw that I really wanted were Alexander McQueen. So these are like Alexander McQueen dupe-ish with a wider platform. They're all white, baby blue. This is good for me, even though they're not super, super fresh. It looks like someone tried them on, but you know, given where we are in life, I'm gonna take them. I will style these as well, you guys. So I will do the styling of this in another video because I don't know if I'll have time today. I have so many videos to edit, but if you'd like to see how I'm gonna style this, just leave it in the comment below. I hope you guys are being blessed. I hope you are safe and well with health and finances. As I say in every video, be blessed to be a blessing, Girl Boss Beauties. I will see you in the next one.